Do you want to kickstart your food business from the comfort of the home? Hey everyone, I am Niveda Muralidharan, founder of NewgenMax and Niveda E Academy. In this video, I am going to break you the step-by-step process of kickstarting a food business, that is selling grocery and food items on Amazon. If you are planning to kickstart your food business on Amazon, here are some of the things that you should know. To start selling on Amazon, you require GST, PAN card and bank details. The GST can be even a proprietor's GST, there is no problem in that. And the bank details can be saving or current account. For food product, there are few specifications that is really important. You require at least basic FSA registration to sell food products on Amazon or any e-commerce portal like Amazon Flipkart. There are three types of FSSI. One is basic FSA registration, another is state license, another is central license. Based on the slab that you are applicable, you have to take the corresponding license or registration. For a new person, completely basic registration is sufficient to kickstart your Amazon food business. Now, what are the products you can sell on Amazon? When it comes to grocery, you can sell anything like even dal powder, pickles, etc. To sell on Amazon, especially for food products, we have to get something called category approval. What is category approval? You should say Amazon like, hey listen, this is my FSA number and these are the products that I am planning to sell and these are the pictures of the product where I have mentioned all the details of the product, manufacturing address, FSA number and also the expiry date, shelf life, everything in detail. Once you are able to submit all these documents to Amazon, they would be approving you a category approval. Apart from this, you have to get GTIN exemption or getting brand registry done on Amazon. Only then you can list products under your brand name. And then you have to list your products and you can start selling on Amazon. In the upcoming videos, I am going to share you like how you can do GTIN exemption for food products and how you can do category approval for food products, and that will give you a clear idea. But before that, please have few points in mind. Whenever you are going to go for the food products, the competition is very high. Consider I am planning for pickle, the competition is very high because there is already Ruchi, there is already Mambalam IS, there is already Mother's Pickle, 777, n number of people are there. Now if I am going to go for a dal powder, again there are n number of competitors. If I am going to go for a cold pressed oil, again there are n number of competitors. So you have to stand outside the crowd by defining your unique selling point, and this is possible in food products. Consider I am going to launch my tea product. I have to mention why my tea is completely unique when compared to the others. If I am able to do that, I can stand outside the crowd. Mention whether your product is organic or mention how your product is actually manufactured. All these would really help you. We have one of our client called Gramia. I really loved their Instagram content where they manufacture cold pressed oils. I saw their reel video, like they mentioned all their oils come through a cotton bag. And the reason they mentioned was like during the production process of the oils, there are chances the seed also can get pressed and it will also cause bitterness in the oil. To avoid the same, we are filtering all the oils using cotton and that will help us in making a product without any bitter. This was really impressive for me. Now this is the USP of the product. They take immense care to the customer and they are able to produce the products without any bitterness. So define some uniqueness of your product, even though it's food product, that will stay connected. You can connect with the audience in a better way. Just think, write down all the top names in the food product. It can be Brew, it can be Nescafe, it can be Three Roses. Figure out what are the USPs of the product. And can you mention what is the USP of Maggi in the comment box? I guess you would be knowing it. And do mention in the comment box what is the USP of Maggi. And in the upcoming videos, I'll be covering you how you can get category approval on Amazon, what are the documents you need, how to go for GTIN exemption, how you can build your branding, etc. And if you want to kickstart your Amazon business from the comfort of the home without office setup, prior experience or technical knowledge, then I highly invite you to watch my free masterclass program where I have covered how you can do product research, figure out your suppliers, how you can do branding and how you can scale your Amazon business. At the end of the video, there will be a Calendly link to speak with my team if you want us to help you in kickstarting your Amazon business without any prior experience. So what are you waiting for? The masterclass link is along with this video. Do check out the free masterclass. And as usual, share the video, like the video. If you're watching for the first time, please don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon. Thank you. Yes. If you want me to cover any other interesting topic, do mention in the comment box and I'll be really happy to take in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification of new GenMax Digital Solution.